Take a moment to marvel at nature's engineers, a class of creatures with a knack for construction that rivals our own. From the industrious bees who construct complex hives to termites, master architects of towering mounds. Consider the delicate craftsmanship of birds, weaving twigs and leaves into cozy nests, or the precision of spiders spinning intricate webs, each a work of art. Contemplate the busy ant colonies buzzing with activity beneath the ground and the vibrant coral reefs painstakingly built by tiny polyps over centuries. These creatures, each in their own right, are architects, engineers, and builders shaping the world around them in ways that astound and inspire. Next time you step outside, remember to appreciate these unsung heroes of the natural world, the master builders